Greetings everyone. I am George William Rifus Sandriano, student number 246. Today, I would like to analyze intercultural communication in the movie Gandhi, 1982, directed by Richard Attenborough. Gandhi portrays the life of Mahatma Gandhi, focusing on his philosophy of nonviolence and efforts to unite India during its fight for independence. The movie highlights intercultural challenges between the British colonial rulers and Indian citizens, as well as internal cultural conflicts. Gandhi's communication style was rooted in non-violence and empathy, contrasting with the British reliance on authority and force. He used persuasive speeches and calm demeanor to appeal to the humanity of both his followers and his adversaries, making his message universal. Gandhi embraced traditional Indian values and attire, rejecting Western influences. This choice symbolized Indians' culture identity and resistance to colonial rule. This action emphasized pride in Indian heritage and inspired collective unity among diverse communities. The film highlights the power imbalance between the British rulers and the Indian people. Gandhi's non-violent resistance challenged this imbalance by demonstrating that moral and ethical strength could overcome physical and institutional power. Indians' cultural diversity is a key theme. Gandhi worked tirelessly to unite Hindus, Muslims, and Sikhs, fostering intercultural dialogue. The movie shows how this unity was vital to Indians' independence and remains a lesson in overcoming religious divisions. Gandhi's ejection from a train in South Africa marked a turning point. This experience of racial discrimination revealed the harsh realities of colonialism and inspired his philosophy of equality and justice for all, regardless of race or culture. The British often stereotype Indians as passive or inferior. Gandhi shattered these stereotypes by showcasing his intelligence, moral integrity, and leadership. This change in perception was key to altering the dynamics of colonial power. Non-verbal actions like Gandhi spinning the wheel symbolized self-reliance and rejection of British goods. These visual messages united people across language barriers and became powerful tools of resistance and communication. In Hofstad's terms, colonial India had a high power distance, with strict hierarchies between rulers and the ruled. Gandhi worked to reduce this gap, advocating for equality and empowering ordinary people to take action against oppression. Symbolic acts like the Salt March demonstrated Gandhi's genius in using cultural and economic symbols to resist oppression. These acts unified people across classes and regions, turning everyday actions into powerful statements. Gandhi's negotiations with British officials reflect his ability to bridge cultural divides. He used assertive but respectful dialogue, emphasizing shared values like fairness and justice to challenge colonial policies without violence. Indians' diversity posed challenges, but Gandhi emphasized unity through shared goals of independence and equality. His inclusive leadership style showed that recognizing and respecting differences can lead to collective strength. The British projected superiority to maintain control, fostering a colonial mentality. Gandhi countered this by emphasizing Indians' rich cultural heritage and proving that dignity and self-respect were more powerful than domination. The film also highlights the dangers of miscommunication, especially during Indians' partition. Distrust and poor communication between communities led to violence, underscoring the need for clear and empathetic dialogue. Gandhi's strategies of nonviolence and intercultural dialogue led to Indians' independence and inspired movements worldwide. His success shows how effective communication can transform societal conflicts into peaceful resolutions. The film teaches us that empathy, respect for diversity, and peaceful dialogue are essential for global communication. Gandhi's example reminds us that effective communication can transcend cultural barriers and promote unity. In conclusion, Gandhi illustrates how intercultural communication can dismantle power imbalances and foster understanding. Gandhi's life is a testament to the power of non-violence and collaboration in achieving monumental change. Analyzing this film helped me appreciate the importance of intercultural communication. Gandhi's ability to bridge cultural and power divides is a timeless lesson, especially in today's interconnected world. Thank you for watching. I hope this presentation has inspired you to think about the role of intercultural communication in shaping history and our future.